Tired of your Samsung Galaxy S26 updating on its own? If you want to stop automatic installs and choose when your phone updates, here's what to do. First, let's turn off the more important setting. Go to Settings, tap About Phone, then go to Software Information. Scroll down to Build Number and tap it 7 times. If your phone asks for your password, enter it. Once Developer Mode is enabled, go back to the main Settings menu and open Developer Options. Scroll until you find Auto Update System and make sure it's turned off. After that, go back to Settings and tap Software Update. Now tap the 3 dots in the top corner and select Auto Download. Set it to Never so updates won't download automatically. Now there's one more place to check. Go to Settings, then Security and Privacy. Scroll down and tap More Security Settings. Here, look for Galaxy System App Update and turn that off too. After that, restart your phone once so everything applies properly. And that's it. If this helped, stay with Fix369 for more quick tech tips.